Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today, Solvetic will explain how to install Ubuntu Server 23.10 completely. To begin, you must go to the link that we are going to leave you in the description of the video, so that from there you download the Ubuntu ISO image 23.10. You are going to burn this ISO image to a USB or DVD, and the computer where Ubuntu will be installed must boot from that ISO. In the Start menu, select and click Try or Install Ubuntu Server. Wait for the services to load. To start, you will select the language with which Ubuntu Server will be installed. Clicking there will automatically assign that language for the keyboard. Once defined, click on Done. Then you will see that the configuration is applied. Then you will select the base or the type of system to install. There you can choose the minimum or the normal installation. Press the Enter key to confirm. Now you will see how the network adapter and the IP address that is assigned will be automatically selected. If everything is correct, press the Enter key. Then you will define and enter if you make use of a proxy server. Then you will see that the nearest mirror is selected to access the repositories. A test will be made that it works properly. Now it is time for you to select if the entire disk will be used or partitions will be created. In this case, we leave the default option and press Enter. You will see how the partitioning structure of the hard drive will be automatically created in Ubuntu Server. If it seems correct, select Done and press Enter. After this, it is time to configure the system administrator user. Enter the desired name and password. Press Enter to confirm. You will have access to some extra options. First, you can define if the OpenSSH server will be installed. You will then see a group of options that you can select with the spacebar to install on Ubuntu Server. The installation of the Ubuntu Server system will start. There you will wait for this process to come to an end. When this process is finished, you will click on the Restart Now line. This will give way to the server restart process. Once all the services have been loaded, you will log in with the user that has been created during the process. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. To validate the installed version, run the on-screen command. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.